My name is Donald Cunningham, and in this video, I wanted to talk to you about some things that you can do to improve your online presence. And the first thing is that I see you do not have a website, you just have a Google profile. The first thing you would need to do to improve your online presence is to have a website. Having a website is better because it gives you control and credibility and long-term value. First of all, you own the website, and the website is your property. There's no risk of suspension or wiping out your presence. People expect a real business these days to have a website. Other than that, they question the credibility of whether this business is real or if it's established. A clean website instantly increases credibility. It shows up in Google searches. It ranks for many keywords, and also it shows up, it gets traffic even when people aren't searching for your business name. A business profile alone does not do all of these things. And this is especially important if you offer other services. So is it best to have a profile and a website, and that is your storefront. Okay, now this is the website of one of your competitors. A very nice website. And these are things that you can do. So you have pictures on your website, and this is something you could do as well with a website. And it gives you, and you can highlight different areas, things that you do, and you can give a verbal explanation of things that you could do, which we call content. And then included in that content, you can use keywords that people who are searching will use to find you. Okay, in addition to that, and you get to have citations, which will be listed in online directories, which you do not get with just a business profile. And also, you could get backlinks that will link back to your site, that giving your site a recommendation. So these are things that you are missing out on if you do not have a website. Having a website helps you to compete with all those businesses, your competitors who have websites. Okay, well, that's it in a nutshell. Um, give me, thanks for watching the video, and I hope this information has been informative for you. And if you would like to, if you have any questions or anything I can answer or help you with, please give me a call. My number is 714-473-0269. Then my name is Donald Cunningham. My number is 714-473-0269. Thank you for watching the video, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a great day.